Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official 5 Nights at Freddy's cookbook. Today we're making Foxy's sloppy pulled pork burger. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below. I also did not make the pulled pork or barbecue sauce on this recipe, so you're going to watch my older videos to see that. To start this recipe off, you're going to want to make the pickle brine, so you need to put 25 milliliters of white wine vinegar, 25 grams of sugar, 1 star anise, and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds along with 3.5 tablespoons of water into a medium saucepan and get it to a simmer until the sugar has dissolved. And while that pickle brine is heating up, you're going to want to cut up a quarter of a cucumber and 5 radishes. Now, once your pickle brine is heated up, you're going to want to pour the hot pickle brine over your cucumber and radishes, mix together, and let sit while you do everything else. Now, you're going to cut up a jalapeno. That's it. Now you're going to put your pulled pork and half a cup of barbecue sauce into a big pan to heat up together. While this is heating up, you're going to want to put your buns under a broiler until they get to like a little toasted, and then you put your cheese on top of the buns and then until the cheese melts. And finally, to assemble, you're going to take your bottom bun with the cheese on it, put some pulled pork on top, then put the pickled stuff on top, and then put a single slice of jalapeno on top, and then put the top bun on top. This is pretty good. Not my favorite recipe in the book. I just don't think I'm the biggest fan of barbecue sauce, and this is very barbecue saucy. I would highly recommend it. It was still very tasty. I would give it like 7.5 out of 10, maybe 8. Somewhere in that range.